Wow, someone's discarded this Gorenje 7kg washing machine. Just got a kid to drop it off for me. I've done all the electrical tests on it, make sure it's safe, and plumbed it in. And I'm just going to put it on a wash cycle just to test it, see it's filling up fine. The lights are flashing on this, but they are solid. It must be the video. And as the drum is rotating, straight away I can hear a clicking sound coming from the back. So when you go to the back of the machine, you clearly hear it more. It's like clicking as the drum's rotating, so what we're going to have to do is disconnect everything and have a look. I'll just turn the machine around so you can have a look. You can see the area I'll be working on, the back of the machine. Just take off this cover because the sound seems to be coming from this area. And as I rotate it manually, you can clearly hear clicking noise. So all I'm going to do is remove the belt. It's just a matter of pulling it off the drum pulley. Off it comes like that. And then I'm going to undo the electric motor. Please ensure you've isolated the machine from the mains before doing this kind of work. So I've removed the 2 bolts for the motor. It's just a matter of pulling it towards you. It sits on 4 lugs. It just pulls off them. Sometimes you might have to use a screwdriver or a lever of some sort. And it's just a matter of disconnecting the earth connection off the motor, and then just disconnecting the power connector. The motor's free. Maybe the bushes on this one, there's 2 bushes, one there, one there, probably about 7 to 14 pounds, Brandon. If I spin the motor manually, I can still hear the clicking, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have a look, take the bushes off and have a look, see if I can see anything inside. Just this 2 screws on this one. Straight away you can see these brushes are worn. They're spring loaded and they're usually around 4 to 5 inches long. So really that should come out to about there. But as you can see, they've fallen far short, so these will need to be replaced because they're worn out. We'll need a new set of brushes. However, on further inspection, I've noticed that one of the commutators is missing. That's probably what the clicking noise was. Just highlight it there. That one's missing. The motor will still run without the one commutator missing, but it will cause intermittent failures. So this motor will have to be replaced. And it's just a matter of sourcing one. I'm going to have a look at it on the internet, see if I can find one. And I've managed to find one at a bargain, 20 quid. Buy it now. Deliver straight away. Blimey, that was quick. The new motor has arrived. It's a genuine Gorenje motor, and compared to the other one, the one that I've just removed, that's universal motor. It fits other models. So I'm going to fit the new motor Just a matter of plugging the power connector for the motor, connecting that in first, and then it's just a matter of fitting the motor back onto its 4 lugs which hold it in place. I'm just going to pop this motor in here for a minute and give you a closer angle so you can see what I'm doing. Right, as I say, it's just a case of locating the 4 lugs at the bottom of the washing machine drum. There's 4 lugs which the motor slides onto. As you can see, I've managed to align them there and just push it home like so, and that's that motor fitted. It just needs to be secured. I'll just one of the heater element wires popped off. I'll just pop that on the negative, and then I've got to fit this earth wire back onto the spade connector of the motor. Just done that there. Also, the loom for the motor connector is secured to the side of the motor via cable tie, which I'm doing now. Just cable tie that to the side of the motor so it doesn't get damaged or wear away. And then I'm going to refit the belt. Simple process, just hooks around the electric motor fully, and then it's just a matter of holding it onto the drum pulley and just rotating it round like so, and that's it. That's the belt fitted. Just spin it a couple of times just to make sure it's on correctly. The clicking's gone now, and then I should have done this first, but it's just a matter of refitting the securing bolts for the motor. And then tightening them up. And then once that's done, it's just a matter of refitting this cover. It's just 2 screws at the bottom on this one. And as you can see, voila, it's all assembled now. I'm just going to give the unit a good clean the soap tray, and then I'm just going to give it a try. Let's get this kit out of the way. I'm going to pop this blanket in to give it a test wash. Just check, make sure there's no pets in it, and then just pop it on the. I'm going to do a 60-degree cycle, wash cycle. And as you can see, I've cleaned the soap tray and it's filling up the machine, and it's operating fine. There's no more clicking noise. Just gonna wait for this wash cycle to complete. And that's a full wash cycle. No noise, running fine. And there you see this blanket nice and clean. Good results. Once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.